Hello Aries, how are you guys doing? This is your July monthly reading for career and money. As we know that Venus has come out of a retrograde, like it was there, but Mercury is still in retrograde. So during the phase till 13th July plus 3-4 days, you need to still go slow, take things in a very slow manner, but you have to work, but in a slow and steady way. Also dealings with money, be very careful, be careful with your contracts, papers, double check, cross, you do it a couple of times, it helps. So let's see what the cards have for you. I've shuffled these cards and we'll see Aries. Quite a nice shuffle, and let's see. This is the Seven of Pentacles, Five of Cups, Two of Rods, the World, Ace of Cups, and one more card, Knight of Swords. Okay, so we'll start with the reading. So I feel that in your recent past, maybe in the past, you have been you're tired and of, maybe you're working too hard, and you are not getting the desired results that you were looking for, in your recent past. But you were confused, and sometimes you did not know what is going to come ahead, and that made you feel a little sad and disappointed. So this is the card of your recent past. Now we have Five of Cups. Presently sometimes you get into the thought that you have lost lot of stuff, lot of maybe opportunities, or a money situation hasn't been, maybe there are losses, and also that you could be going through low energy, slightly a sad phase, and you are just always thinking about what has you have lost so much. And presently if you see that this COVID-19 has really caused immense losses and damage, and emotionally drained to all of us. So that is what makes you feel not feel great. You are in low energy, and always you are thinking about your losses. But please see that you still have things left. Do not go on just soaking into your previous disappointments. Look forward to new way of new things, that you have something still left over, and you should carry forward. To move forward, you need to use this that you have. Maybe it's a money situation, business situation, or maybe there was a there is a cut in your job, pay cut in your job. So don't get disappointed. It's not that bad as you think. You still have things left, and you could move forward with this. Two of Rods is like you are trying to find out how you could get your previously, like you were doing well for yourself, and it's like you had a lot of things going on, like maybe you had a good job, and maybe your business was running good. That is before COVID. All of us know that economy has really gone down. So this card, you're still trying to figure out how to go about, what to do next. You're trying to look at different aspects of business, or maybe the job situation. Yeah, so this is what I feel, Aries. Knight of Rods. Now you are trying to take action. You have already seen that there could be some opportunities, or you could see some resources, or you could see something to start, so you are trying, you will take action in this July, and you should take action. So yeah, this could also be, with the Ace of Cups coming, this is like a new job for some of you, or a new business partnership for some of you. And this is the action time wherein you need to start your action. Don't rush into things. As I told you, there's a retrograde till mid-July. So this is a new opportunity or a new business partnership coming to you. Also for some, there is some money coming in. It could be, a bonus, or some investment that you have done in future. In your past, you are getting it now. It also could be like, what I see in these cards is like, you feel that you have some reasons to feel optimistic with this card, and working towards it. Maybe initially you might feel that oh, I have lost in the recent past. You saw, you were disappointed, but with some news coming in, with some information coming in, you are feeling good and optimistic, Aries. Also we have this World card. So it talks about, what I feel is that yes, there are changes coming slowly. There is a phase which was a disappointment phase and all going away slowly, that maybe you had in this May, June. It talks, and a new phase for you. The World, with the World card, it's a new phase for you. Also I feel you could travel for work, or or a business partnership. You could move locations for a new job. It's for some of you, as it's a general reading. And some of you could just think to move to another place. Maybe it could be a interstate move, or a shift in your country. It depends on your situation. It's a case dependent thing. Be patient. What I would say is that this cards is showing that you need to be patient. You need to, with this assessment, you need to assess your resources, what you have left, what has been left. Also that I feel in the first week of July you are optimistic with this ideas that has come, and then you were in your previous past, of course, you were saddened with the losses that you have suffered, or you were disappointed, but you were thinking of finding out ways to lay the foundation for your future again, a solid foundation this time. So it made you feel optimistic. Job for some, or a good news for some, or money coming in definitely for some of you. It could be a quick money, or a quick offer coming in. Also with and there is this change that you already saw, that change is coming, a phase is coming to an end. Also that with Mercury retrograde, you need to reach out. People who are looking for jobs, reach out to your ex-bosses, ex-companies that you have worked for. You can meet up a friend. Maybe you can have a virtual meeting, and or virtual, and you could just meet them, and maybe online, or you travel, depends on how your location or your country is doing. And I think it's really going to be great. So 10 days, the last 10 days of July, you will feel optimistic, and there's definitely something new coming in for you guys. It's either a job letter, offer letter for some of you, who has you have already gone for this interview, and you are waiting, and it's like, yes, it's coming. For some of you, it might be that you still need to wait a little, because retrograde could make delays. So this is it, Aries. I'll just pull up one card from the universe that gives a message for you. So let's check it. Okay, so this is a message from the universe. This talks about you opening your communication to, you really have to have your communication skills at great, yes. And also you need to put yourself up in the place, either the business or the job. You have to make yourself present in that area. And of course, I feel after July you have still these energies might get carried to August for some of you. So it talks about being focused, opening up communication skill, your communication, and then definitely lot of ideas which make you feel very optimistic. So this is Aries for you. Thank you. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.